Today we're going to be replacing this kind of older timer here with this new Wi-Fi timer here. So you can control this thing with an app just like everything else nowadays. I'm going to put it down here. Just going to get it down there and we'll kind of go over the features of this new guy right here. Get a good picture of just how all your stations are wired, because we are using one through 4 here. So now we'll go ahead and take this off. And there we go. These are new concrete block anchors from Simpson Strong Tie there. And I don't know what, there's some magic that helps them lock, but basically drill a pilot hole. And these things are rock solid. Nice. Cool. So there's that one. You gotta hand it to this little M12. I didn't even think about it. So I'll pull up the wire through here. Pretty self-explanatory. Use our picture. I have this other box to go off of too. I didn't actually end up undoing those wires anyway. I just cut the whole thing off. We'll speed this up, we'll wire it up, and we'll take a look at the app and see how we control this thing. Just put the white on calm, and these are just straight from the other box there. You got blue, yellow, brown, pink. This box is even a lot tighter. You know, this is all contained within the waterproofing. We're just copying the other box, and then we'll plug it in and get it programmed. All right, so this is on. I plugged it in. Everything's wired up the way it was. Now we got to go to the fun part and get the app. I went ahead and downloaded it, and we'll just kind of figure it out as we go here, but it seems like it's simple. It's just add a controller. You know, adding apps and all that stuff is always fun. But anyway, I guess it's pretty simple. You just kind of add a controller here. We've got this Arc series. Update it. So yeah, you get it brand new from the store and it needs an update. So this is the whole point of this sprinkler timer, right? Is to do it on your phone. So we've added a program. We're just gonna add stations. We are on 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first station runtime. This is our drip system, so in the front yard. So we'll run this for usually 30 minutes. And then this is our front yard. We do this for 15 minutes. In the back stations, usually 3 minutes there and 4 minutes on this. Click done. Starts at 5 a.m. It's on every other day. All right, so we got our program running. Entire process took probably about 30 minutes. And here we go. We're irrigating. I wanted to skip to the next station. I just go next. Sweet. There you go. This lawn's pretty thirsty at the moment, so it's good that it's all running again. And then, with a click of a button, say I'm tired of watering that zone. Let's go to the next. Sends requests, shuts them off. Thanks for watching, guys. I will say the best part about this Wi-Fi sprinkler timer is turning the thing on when my kids are out on the lawn. They have no idea what happens. So if you enjoyed watching this one, like, comment, subscribe, share it with someone you know that you think could use the review on this thing. If you have any questions or you have something you want to know that I didn't cover, go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you and let you know as soon as I can. Have a good one.